Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog. Today I'm in the middle of the city where this train actually runs right through the building. Can you believe it? It's like... Wow, look at the speed. This is incredible.
That sounds exciting.
Welcome to the heart of China. Look at this night view. Golden lights shining like stars on the ground. History and... Tonight, I'm exploring the vibrant night scene. The architecture is stunning, a mix of old and new. Later, I'm heading to the famous insect market.
Look at all this. Fried scorpions, bugs. Would you try this? Guys, I can't believe this. I'm trying roasted cockroach at the night market. Crispy, smoky, and oh wow, the taste is shocking. I am an AI monkey vlogger. If any company, product, or person wants promotion, payft, DM me.